Kamusta, kabayan kong OFW? Nais ko lamang i-share ang aking napanood na video na nag-viral kamakailan. Dahil sobrang saludo ako sa isang lalaking pharmacist na napaka-humble, napakahaba ng kanyang pasensya. Kahit alam na niya hindi maganda ang ginagawa ng kanyang customer. Alam natin ang iba ay halos social media na ang buhay. Meron niyang mga vlogger na yumaman na at meron namang nag-uumpisa pa lamang. Pero sana ang bawat vlogger ay alam din ang panuntunan o batas sa pagbablog. Kung tama ba o mali o nakakasakit na ba ang ginagawa nito. Ito, panoorin po natin, kabayan ko, W, at tayo na po ang humusga. Salamat.
For my safety, you said if it's RX, kailangan ng prescription.
Hindi, RX means prescription.
So I need a prescription for that.
So you have no RX? There
If
is
no
another brand.
RX, then it means OTC.
Over the
Who
counter.
decide the RX?
On sir.
So what other pharmacies are giving
Giving.
without prescription?
Then they're trying to go for, because for me, my license is already there. So if
So
ever
you mean Rose Pharmacy and Mercury and Watson, they don't have a license?
they are the PA, sir. If they try to give you without RX, like antibiotics, S2,
No, this is not
No,
an
this is not an antibiotic.
This is a maintenance medicine. It's not a prescription.
if ever you tried, just Google what's the meaning of RX.
We know, uy, ano
You
ba?
wanna sell us
You
now?
see,
You cannot sell it.
If we go for the
Sir,
rules,
sir, don't
then-
argue with us. Just yes or no.
yes or no?
then it's not, boy, bigay mo kasi nagbi-video na si ma'am. Oh,
Na live na to.
without RX
Facebook na.
daw. Without
I
RX.
am here right now in Capital Care Pharmacy, Landers.
Sa rules of the
At-
Philippines with RX, you need prescription.
Pero kung nanan siya na...
Sige, sige, paano mo siya? Kasi nagbi-video. Pag sinabi mo yan, tapos maano ka, ikaw maano ka, lisensya mo yan.
Kailangan.
Actually, maintenance mo din siya, ma'am. Pero sa